Hello there. So you want to know how you can set up automatic bidding on your eBay account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let's just read the customer service help article from eBay itself. So when it comes to automatic bidding, it is the easiest way to bid, and the simply entering the highest price that we're willing to pay for an item will do the rest. So this means that you don't actually have to do anything in the settings or anywhere else. All you can do is just simply go ahead and find an auction. So for example, let's say let me just search for auctions. And let's just say, for example, I like this one thing a lot. So as you can see, it's a 2050 right now. This looks pretty good. I could go anywhere up to $50 for this. So I can simply click on place bid, and then I'll bid for straight up $50. And what it does is eBay doesn't let you bid $50. It'll just put you ahead of the competition by 10 cents, 20 cents. So they have an explanation right over here. So for example, if the current price is 0.01 to 0.99, the bid increment will be only 0.05, and so on. So as you can see, only if the product is 3,000 and up, then the increment will be of 100 pounds. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.